In Asia, closing on a property can feel like a legal drama. You have your lawyer, the seller has their lawyer, and they battle it out in a boardroom until someone hands over the keys. In Hawaii, we do things differently. We don't do courtroom drama. We do paperwork. Lots of it. Hi, I'm Jason Wong, principal broker and founder of Island Dragonfly. If you are a foreign buyer looking to invest in paradise, you need to understand that Hawaii is an escrow state, not an attorney state. And if you don't know the difference, you might end up standing in a driveway with your luggage, wondering why your key code doesn't work. Here is how Hawaii's process is different from Asia and how to survive it without losing your mind. First, let's talk about the players. In many Asian countries, and even some US states like New York, lawyers drive the bus. They represent you, they fight for you, they are your gladiators. In Hawaii, we use escrow companies. Think of escrow as Switzerland. They are neutral. They don't love you, they don't love the seller. They only love the contract. Their job is to take money and documents from both sides, make sure they match the instructions, and then, and only then, swap them. They are the gatekeepers, and you cannot bribe the gatekeeper. Second, let's talk about the table funding myth. In many places, you sign the papers, you hand over the check, and you get the keys across the table. Champagne pops, everyone cheers. If you expect that in Hawaii, you are going to be very disappointed. We have something called the Good Funds Act. It sounds friendly, but it is strict. In Hawaii, we do not close on the day you sign. I repeat, we do not close on the day you sign. You will sign your life away usually 3 to 5 days before closing. Then, your money must hit the escrow account at least 2 business days before the official recording date. Why? Because island time is real, but bank time is stricter. The Bureau of Conveyances, that is the government office that makes it official, needs to record the deed typically by 8 a.m. If your money isn't good and clear days before, you don't record, no record, no keys. So, do not book your flight to move in on signing day. You will be sleeping in the hotel for a few more nights. Third, and this is the big one for my international clients, the notary nightmare. If you are in Japan, Singapore, or Hong Kong, you can't just walk into a local bank to notarize US real estate documents. Hawaii title companies are picky. You usually go to the US consulate or embassy. Good luck getting an appointment. It can take weeks. If you mess this up, or if you use the wrong ink color, blue is usually preferred by the way, your documents get rejected and the whole timeline resets. So what is the timeline? If you are paying cash, we can sometimes sprint to the finish line in 30 to 45 days. If you are financing as a foreign national, buckle up for 45 to 60 days. The process goes like this. Offer accepted, open escrow, due diligence, that is your inspection period. Then we order the condominium docs, which are about 500 pages of light reading, then the funding, then the recording. It is not a battle of lawyers, it is a well-oiled machine of deadlines. So, if you want a gladiator, hire a lawyer. But if you want a house in Hawaii, you need a broker who knows how to navigate the escrow minefield. I'm Jason Wong. If you are ready to buy in Hawaii and want someone to handle the stress so you don't have to, let's connect. Hit that subscribe button for more real estate reality checks. Aloha.